I just want to encourage each and every one of you not to give up. Lately, I've seen and heard of a lot of people that just want to give up on their manifestations, their goals, their dreams. Well, I'm here to tell you not to give up. There's always hope, always a miracle, always changes being made that we can't see. Keep your chin up, keep focused on you and what your goals are. Keep giving, keep receiving, keep writing your affirmations, keep dreaming, and dream big. I give you permission to succeed. You can do it. I don't care what your background is. I don't care what your life was like. You can do it. You can rise above. And I say this out of experience. If you knew my history, you would know that I know what I'm talking about. Take each step, baby steps, crawl if you have to, but be determined to reach your goals. It will be okay. Everything's going to be okay. I love you. I send peace and love to you. God loves you. God bless you. I hope you have an amazing day. I hope your Halloween is happy and you have lots of fun. You are loved. Divine love is always around you. Your angels are looking out after you. Please don't give up. Your miracle is right around the corner. It's going to happen. It's going to happen suddenly, and it's going to happen big. God bless you and have a great, fantastic day. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.